Hi, I'm Kim, and my hair is pretty gray. And I found out about this treatment to help get your hair to not be gray anymore. Let me see, it's not a hair color, but apparently it's an herbal treatment that causes your melanin to come back into your hair. This is the box it came in, and this is the box. This is what's in the box, and then it has this little comb brush thingy that's pumping. It says to put a few pumps into your palm and apply it with your fingertips. Rub it in. It says it takes about 2 weeks to work to start seeing some results. I am going to just do a section, and then I'll do this. I think you do it every day. No need to rinse, blow dry as usual. Recommended use. Recommended for daily use, morning and night. And once your color's been restored, then 1 to 2 times a week to maintain. Okay, so it's in there. I'm going to let my hair dry, and I will do this every day for a couple of weeks, and we'll take a look. So here we go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips. And check out the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki's hair products.